What's up, Justin?
How you doing, brother?
Hey, how you doing?
Car before in my life.
We need to get struggling. Struggling.
Drive like a
You know,
I need to fill tires on it.
You know, with the radiator and everything, and just car whipping around on me, whole new chassis. It's kind of been a fight here recently. So hopefully she won't snap so hard because I'm not gonna throw her this deep this time. So we'll just see. We'll see how the rest of the day goes. Hopefully I'll shred some more rubber.
Ready? What the fuck?
You ran it over.
That's one way to do it. It's fine, I don't care.
Beamers are falling apart today, bud.
I know,